guys! Guess what am I going to unbox today? Finally, Huawei Malaysia has launched their brand new P50 series smartphones. Today, I'm going to unbox the latest foldable smartphone from the company, which is the P50 Pocket. The P50 Pocket comes in two color variants which include gold and white. For your information, the gold variant is the premium edition and this is the one catches my eyes the most as it looks stylish. The device perfectly fit my palm and it can totally fit into my small handbag. Whenever the phone is unfolded, it is just 7.2mm thin and 15.2mm when it's folded. As for the text bag, it features a 6.9-inch flexible Full HD Plus OLED display that supports up to 120Hz refresh rate and 300Hz touch sampling rate. Besides that, the cover screen supports an OLED display that supports a 60Hz refresh rate and 120Hz touch sampling rate. Of course, you can easily check out the notifications, music, cameras, and more from the cover screen without unfolding the device. And you also can play an animation when you tap on it while the device is folded. On the other hand, it supports a Snapdragon 888 chipset, 12GB of RAM, and 512GB of internal storage for this variant. As for the white model, it comes with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. The device is powered by a 4000mAh battery that supports 40W Huawei Supercharge and run EMUI 12. This P50 Pocket supports 10.7MP 120° ultra-wide angle selfie snapper. So yeah, you can take a selfie or fit all of your friends into a frame and also leave the phone on any flat surface without asking anyone else for help to take a photos. As for the rear camera, it comes with a triple rear camera with 40MP main camera, 30MP ultra-wide angle lens, 32MP ultra spectrum lens. Oh yeah, with this device, you can just use the rear camera to take a selfie. As for the pricing, the premium edition comes with a price tag of 7,299 ringgit and the white variant will be slightly cheaper at the price tag of 5,999 ringgit. So, which variant would you prefer? The white variant or premium edition? Well, personally, I will go for the premium edition because of the memory and it is just stylish. Don't forget to leave your comments below, hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Deborah and peace out.